What's happening, YouTube? I know it's been a while. I apologize. Happy New Year, obviously. It's 2018 now. 2017's over, and we're right back to the same bullshit. So, I was gonna make a video, just a dumbass driver compilation video. I was gonna do a Logan Paul video, kind of responding to what he did a couple weeks ago. And now things have changed again to where I unfortunately have to make a little bit of a vlog. Well, not unfortunately, just kind of a... It's kind of unfortunate what happened, let's put it that way. So as you all know, I got in an accident in June of last year, cracked the taillight, scuffed the bumper or whatever. So that fucking happened. And then, I don't know if I posted on Camo Squad or if I posted in the KDM boards. But I got backed into at work. Luckily I wasn't in the vehicle at the time that happened, so here's the damage of that. Now y'all may be asking, why the fuck are you making a video about your car? Well, I just want to point out that, yeah, that happened. Happened Friday. Was driving home from work and someone decided my ass end looked good, and so they took it out. From just looking at it, the muffler's bent into the wheel, the bumper cover is obviously obliterated. I think the taillight might be, yeah, the taillight's toast. This is the one I actually replaced just not even too long ago. Deck lid's destroyed. I don't know if you can see that. Quarter panel is just pushed in. I don't know if you can see that door gap there compared to this other door gap. Probably some frame damage. We'll see. It's unfortunate it happened. I mean, shit obviously happens for a reason, and this is why I'm a big advocate on texting and driving, and just kind of fucking paying attention while you're driving. Oh damn, I need a new registry sticker. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm real strongly opinionated on distracted driving and texting and drinking and driving and shit like that. Is for shit like this. I mean, I could have been injured in this accident. I could have been injured pretty bad. I was at almost a dead stop when it happened, and obviously you guys have seen the footage. Just because you guys have seen the footage. I'm basically doing like 0 miles an hour, and I get slammed into. Guy was probably doing 35 when he hit me. So. But anyway, I'm going to end this video. Again, Happy New Year, and Logan Paul sucks. Peace.